Hi there, students. Belligerent, an adjective. Belligerently, an adverb. And I guess belligerence, the noun. Okay, if somebody is belligerent, they are hostile, they're aggressive, they are eager to fight. We also use it meaning uncooperative, doesn't want to cooperate. But belligerent it talks about somebody who has a tendency to fight, who is always looking for a problem, inclined or eager to fight. So he talked with a very belligerent tone, very aggressive, ready to argue. The lawyer of the defendant was very belligerent in the way he talked. The boss is in a very belligerent mood, so be careful of him because otherwise you're going to get into trouble. The prosecutor was very belligerent and would not give me an inch of leeway. Okay, belligerent also talking about fighting a war, but that's probably more formal. The belligerent countries are funding this war with great difficulty. Okay, so belligerent, exhibiting assertiveness, hostility, combativeness. So his belligerent attitude makes people not like him. Or belligerent, waging a war in the process of fighting a war. A little bit of alcohol and he starts to become belligerent. There is clearly great belligerence between North and South Korea. So he's very belligerent about this, and he's not going to accept your peace treaty. He's aggressive and truculent and does not want to help. The politician was belligerent in the face of the scandal that he was being accused of. So it's like he's fighting. To be in a belligerent mood, or even you could use this as a noun. The belligerents in the war were made to sign a peace treaty. The people fighting this war. He stared at me belligerently. He's always belligerent and quarrelsome. The belligerent nations taking part in this war, the nations actually fighting the war. Okay, so either belligerent, engaged in warfare, or eager to go to war, or then violent, hostile, aggressive, eager to fight, or just uncooperative, not wishing to help. So what about the formality of this word belligerent? I think I'd probably give it something like 6.5. You could probably just about use it in an informal conversation, although I think I'd prefer the words aggressive, hostile, uncooperative, violent, something like that. Use it mainly for semi-formal writing or something very formal. And then as to origin, well, this is another one from Latin. Belligerans, waging war, which comes from bellum, war, and the ger bit, or from gero, I lead, I wage, I carry on, I continue with. Yeah, so to have a belligerent attitude towards this. The extremists are very belligerent and always looking to fight with their opponents. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Belligerent.